Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we are going to learn how to draw front view, top view and right hand side view of this object in first angle. Now observer is watching it from here. So front view will be from this direction, top view will be from here and right hand side view will be from here. Now first we'll find out length, width and height. So how much is the length? 10 plus 15 plus 25. So length is 50. How much is the height? Height is 30 plus 10, 40. And width is also 40. So what we will do, first we will draw layout. So I will mark 50. Now draw vertical line. Then I will mark 40. I will leave 20 again. Mark 40 down. So I'm doing front view, top view. See this. So this is front view. This is top view, layout of top view. Then I will take 45 degree. Then I will extend from here. I'll extend from here. And from here, I will draw vertical line. And from here, I will draw horizontal line. So I'll get front view, top view, side view. Now, when you see from the front, you'll see this part, this part, this part, this part. This entire part will be seen. So what I can do, I can take height 10. And I can draw horizontal line. This is front view, right? Now this is again 10. So I can take 10 from here. Draw vertical line. This is 15. So you take 15 from here. Draw vertical line. Then again, how much it is? 15. So again, you mark 15. You draw vertical line. So this way it is done. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rectangles you will see in front view. Now you'll see this part. So I'll go up. How much is this? 10. So I'll mark 10. How much is this? 15. Okay, so it will come directly here. So we are done with front view. Now we'll draw top view. So for top view, what I will do? I will extend. From here, I'll extend this line. How much is this? 10. Right? Then you draw the slope. The slope will appear as a rectangle. Then this entire part is dark. Then this is 10. Then if you see from here, it is 15. Then it goes up by, this distance is not given. It is 10. From here, you can go inside by 10. This line is full. So we can draw this much. Then we'll go inside by 15. 15. And then you join this. This is how it will look in top view. Now we'll draw side view. So when you draw side view, you project from here and you project from here. I'm projecting this first. This part. So this part will appear as a rectangle. See this. It will be just plain rectangle. And this lower part will be rectangle. This is how it will come. And this part is 10. So this you can't see, this edge. So that will be dotted. From here, we'll take 10 and we'll draw dotted line. Apart from that, it is complete. This is top view and this is right hand side view. So I hope everyone understood this. Thank you.